Think for a moment about the last time you made a possible business connection while you were out and about. Maybe you were standing in the grocery store waiting to check out. You started up a conversation with the person behind you in line, and the topic of your business came up. She was excited about your products and she wanted to book a party with you. So you offered her your catalog with the hope that she would somehow remember you and call you in a few days to follow up and book a party with you. Because that's what always happens when someone walks away with one of your catalogs, right? Or maybe you were running into the bank to make a deposit and the bank teller noticed your product, a piece of jewelry or a handbag, and told you that she loved it, and so you told her about your business. Maybe you handed her your card and let her know your website was listed right there and encouraged her to go online and purchase. And later that day, you noticed that she placed a huge online order. Yeah, I didn't think so. You might have been at a networking meeting or your weekly chamber mixer, which you never miss because networking clubs are expensive and you want to get the most out of them, and handed out over 50 cards to fellow members, confident that they were going to transfer your information from your card to their phones and give you a call in just a few days, excited about working with you or referring others to you. So why isn't your phone ringing off the hook? It's because when you give someone a business card or a brochure or even a catalog and they walk away, you've literally lost that lead forever. Without a way to gather their information, you have no way to follow up. Even if you get them to jot their cell number on the back of one of your business cards, chances are good that's going to get lost in the bottom of your purse or end up sitting on your desk for so long you forget whose number it is and throw it away while you're cleaning up your office. If any of these scenarios sound familiar to you, you're going to want to learn about a simple app for your phone called Shuffle. Quite simply, Shuffle lets you create a virtual business card that you can send via text to anyone you happen to meet anytime, anywhere. And because if you're like me, you never go anywhere without your smartphone, you always have your business card with you. Better than that, since you get 10 cards with a standard subscription that can all be individualized, you can create a card to share with a potential host, one to share with someone who's interested in your opportunity, and one to feature your favorite product or special of the month. Now, when you need to give someone your information, you simply hand them your phone and ask them to input their information so that you can text them your card. Because it's a text, they'll absolutely open it, and every single time they do, the Shuffle system will alert you and let you know that your card was opened by that individual. That way, you can time your follow-up perfectly, catching your potential team member or customer precisely when they're thinking about you, and it's really like being able to read your prospect's mind. Speaking of follow-up, the Shuffle app has a built-in follow-up system, and it asks you every time you send a card if you would like to schedule follow-up with the person receiving it. When the day to follow-up arrives, Shuffle reminds you to make that call or send that text so none of your business prospects will ever fall through the cracks again. The virtual card is shared with a simple URL that opens right in the browser on the recipient's phone, so they don't need to have the app in order to view it. It contains all of your contact information, including phone, email, social media sites, and website address, along with your photo and company logo so you can brand each card. Recipients can save your card to their contacts so they know exactly how to find you when it's time to contact you or refer someone to you, and you have their information stored in your phone, so follow-up is a breeze. These powerful little cards are actually more like mini web pages that fit in the palm of your hand than they are business cards. You can embed up to 5 URL links, complete with customizable buttons, and up to 5 video links, YouTube or Vimeo, making them perfect for sharing your product or opportunity information or even training videos with your team. Once you start sharing these cards, you'll think of dozens of ways to use them in your business and in your life. If you need more than 10 card templates, you can upgrade to the 100 cards for a small one-time fee. Your low monthly subscription fee includes unlimited shares and opens of all your cards. Click on the button below to design your own card and see the power of this amazing tool for yourself. Oh, and one more thing. Shuffle has a simple, crazy, generous affiliate program so that simply by referring others who also download and purchase the Shuffle app, you can make a steady stream of side income. Get 10 users and you'll pay for your app. Get more and you could begin to build a great residual income stream for yourself. Trust me, everyone who uses a business card, from your upline and downline to your hairdresser, insurance agent, car salesman, realtors, and the list goes on, need this app. If you're the one who shares it with them, you'll make monthly residual income every single month that they are an active user. You can scroll down this page to read more, but my advice would be to click on the button below, get signed up, and experience for yourself the awesome simplicity and power of the Shuffle Virtual Business Card app.